Good morning and welcome to today's Crypto News Podcast. I'm joined by my co-host. Today we'll be diving into the world of AI and its applications in the crypto space, as well as some exciting market developments.
That's right. Recently, Decrypt posted an article comparing the AI agent building capabilities of popular platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. We thought it would be interesting to explore the potential of AI agents in crypto and how they might shape the industry.
For those who might not be familiar, AI agents are essentially digital assistants that can perform a wide range of tasks, from searching and analyzing data to building code and even scraping the web. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about how these agents could be used in the crypto space.
Exactly. Imagine having a virtual office with a team of specialized AI agents working together to analyze market trends, identify potential trading opportunities, and even execute trades on your behalf. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think.
So, how hard is it to build your own AI agents? According to Decrypt's article, it's actually more accessible than you might think. The article highlights several platforms that offer AI agent building capabilities, including ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini.
That's right. And what's interesting is that each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, ChatGPT is great for building conversational AI agents, while Claude is more geared towards building agents that can analyze and process large data sets. But apart from that,
And then there's Gemini, which is a more general purpose AI platform that allows users to build a wide range of AI agents. It's clear that the competition in this space is heating up, and we can expect to see even more innovative AI agent building platforms emerge in the coming months.
Absolutely. And as we explore the world of AI agents in crypto, we'll also be discussing some of the potential risks and challenges associated with this technology. From security concerns to regulatory hurdles, there are many factors to consider when building and deploying AI agents in the crypto space.
That's right, and we'll be diving deeper into those topics later in the show. But first, let's take a look at some of the market-moving stories that are making headlines today. We'll be discussing the latest developments in the world of DeFi, as well as some exciting news from the world of NFTs.
Sounds good to me. Let's get started and see what's moving the markets today.
I love how our previous discussion on innovative uses of blockchain in gaming got us thinking outside the box. It seems we're not the only ones pushing boundaries, though. Have you seen the new Doom CAPTCHA that's been making the rounds?
Actually, I was just reading about it. Instead of the usual mundane CAPTCHA tasks, this one lets you blast demons from hell to prove you're not a bot. I mean, who wouldn't want to channel their inner Doom guy to access a website?
Exactly, it's genius. The brainchild of software engineer Guillermo Rauch, Doom CAPTCHA uses the classic first-person shooter to verify users. I can already imagine how this could be integrated into blockchain-based platforms to enhance security and user experience.
Building on what we discussed earlier about decentralized gaming, this type of creative problem solving could be a game changer. Imagine a future where security protocols are not only more effective, but also immersive and engaging. It's a win-win for users and developers alike.
Speaking of innovative solutions, have you heard about the recent advancements in AI-generated art? We touched on the topic briefly last week, but I think it's worth revisiting in light of this Doom CAPTCHA news.
I think I see where you're going with this. The intersection of AI, gaming, and blockchain is becoming increasingly fascinating. As AI-generated art continues to improve, we might see even more innovative applications of this technology in the crypto space. That is right, Your Honor, the number one innovative application of this technology in the crypto space.
Precisely. From generating unique NFTs to creating immersive experiences like Doom CAPTCHA, the possibilities are endless. It's exciting to think about how these technologies will continue to evolve and intersect in the future.
And it's not just about the tech itself, but also the community that's driving these innovations. We're seeing a new wave of creatives and developers entering the crypto space, bringing fresh perspectives and ideas with them.
That's what makes this space so exciting, the constant influx of new talent and innovative thinking. As we continue to explore the intersection of crypto, gaming, and art, I'm eager to see what other groundbreaking projects emerge in the coming months.
I couldn't agree more. It's going to be an interesting ride, and we'll be here to cover every twist and turn.
Earlier, we touched on the increasing adoption of blockchain technology in the gaming industry. Building on what we discussed, I came across an interesting article from Decrypt that highlights some under-the-radar gaming gems from 2024 that you might have missed.
I love discovering hidden gems, especially in the gaming space. The sheer volume of new releases can be overwhelming, making it difficult to find games that truly stand out. What caught your attention about these games?
The article mentions that we're living in a time where hundreds of games can be released in a single day, which is mind-boggling. However, among the noise, there are games that offer unique art, fun gameplay, and innovative elements that wouldn't work in big studio game releases.
That's exactly what I love about indie games. They often take risks and push boundaries in ways that larger studios can't or won't. It's a great way for new ideas and concepts to emerge, and some of these games might just become the next big thing.
Absolutely. The article highlights 7 games in particular that flew under the radar in 2024. I won't go through the entire list, but one game that caught my eye was a blockchain-based RPG that utilizes NFTs in a really interesting way.
That sounds fascinating. We've talked about the potential of blockchain gaming and NFTs in the past, but it's great to see actual examples of games that are leveraging this technology in creative ways. What specific features does this game offer that make it stand out?
From what I've read, the game uses NFTs to create unique in-game items and characters which can be bought, sold, and traded on the blockchain. It also has a decentralized governance system, allowing players to participate in decision-making processes that shape the game's future.
That's really cool. It's great to see games that are not only fun to play, but also offer a sense of ownership and community involvement. I'm definitely going to check out this game and some of the other hidden gems from 2024.
Yeah, I think it's worth exploring. Who knows, we might just discover the next big thing in gaming. Speaking of which, have you heard about the latest developments in the metaverse gaming space? There's been some buzz about a new platform that's promising to revolutionize the way we experience immersive gaming.
Actually, I have heard some rumors, but I'd love to hear more about it. What's the scoop?
Building on what we discussed earlier about the rising influence of gaming in the crypto space, we have some exciting updates from the world of crypto games.
That's right. We saw how blockchain gaming has become increasingly popular, especially with the concept of play-to-earn models. Now it seems like crypto games are taking it to the next level with immersive experiences.
Speaking of immersive experiences, let's dive into the latest news from Hamster Combat. They just announced the closed beta testing of their highly anticipated Season 2, also known as Hamsterverse. Amidst the follower growth of Season 2, also known as Hamsterverse,
I saw that. Apparently, 300,000 community users were chosen to participate in this testing phase, and all the invites were sent through the Hamster Combat bot on Telegram. It's interesting to see how they're leveraging their community for feedback and testing.
Yes, and for those who didn't receive an invite, Hamster Combat is encouraging users to stay tuned for upcoming updates. This closed beta testing is a crucial step in preparing for the official launch of Hamsterverse.
Another exciting development in the crypto gaming space is the upcoming updates for Illuvium Overworld. The game's team recently teased a new dawn for the game, hinting at significant changes and improvements.
Illuvium has been making waves in the gaming community with its stunning visuals and engaging gameplay. We'll have to keep an eye out for what this new dawn entails and how it will impact the overall gaming experience.
Turning our attention to other gaming news, we also have updates from the world of Telegram games. There's been a surge in airdrops and giveaways, which is generating a lot of buzz among gamers and crypto enthusiasts.
These airdrops and giveaways are not only a great way for game developers to build their communities, but also provide a unique opportunity for users to get involved and potentially earn some exciting rewards.
That's right. And as we continue to explore the intersection of gaming and crypto, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. From immersive experiences to community-driven development, the future of crypto gaming looks incredibly promising.
Absolutely. We'll be keeping a close eye on these developments and bringing you the latest updates as more information becomes available. In the meantime, we'd love to hear from our listeners. What are your thoughts on the current state of crypto gaming, and what do you think the future holds?
We're wrapping up today with an interesting story that caught our eye. There's a firm that's being dubbed the MicroStrategy of Dogecoin, a Canadian investment firm called Spirit Blockchain Capital. They've announced plans to earn yield on their Doge coins.
That's right. It seems they've taken a page out of MicroStrategy's playbook, adapting their Bitcoin reserve strategy, but using the meme coin, Dogecoin, instead. What I find intriguing is that they're not stopping at Dogecoin. They're eyeing potential expansion into other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Solana.
It makes sense given the current market conditions. Investors are hungry for higher returns on their tokens, and firms like Spirit Blockchain Capital are looking to capitalize on that demand. It's also a testament to the growing maturity of the crypto space, where we're seeing more sophisticated investment strategies emerge.
Earlier today, we discussed the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and the increasing popularity of yield farming. This story ties in nicely with that theme. As the crypto market continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative approaches to generating returns on investments.
And it's not just about the returns, it's also about the diversification of assets. By exploring other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Solana, Spirit Blockchain Capital is spreading its risk and potentially creating new opportunities for investors.
That's a great point. Diversification is key in any investment strategy, and it's especially important in the crypto space where volatility can be high. By offering products based on multiple cryptocurrencies, firms like Spirit Blockchain Capital can attract a wider range of investors and reduce their reliance on a single asset.
So what are the key takeaways from today's stories? We saw a mix of positive and negative news, from the growth of DeFi to the challenges faced by certain cryptocurrencies. But overall, the trend is clear. The crypto market is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and investors are looking for new ways to participate.
That's right. As we head into the weekend, our market outlook remains cautiously optimistic. We're expecting a period of consolidation, followed by potential upward momentum as investors continue to seek out new opportunities. Of course, nothing is certain in the crypto space, but one thing is clear. It's an exciting time to be involved in this market.
And that's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you all on the next episode.
Until then, stay crypto savvy, and we'll see you on the markets.